It is Mahler Industries' goal to be your edge in CNC machining.
Mahler Industries was established in 1983 and has grown from a manual machine shop into a dynamic ISO-certified CNC facility. Our 20,000 square foot climate-controlled facility is designed to offer optimal production flow, as well as offer the best working environment for our skilled employees. Mahler Industries utilizes Mazak CNC machines to realize its customers' requirements. We produce precision machined components for numerous industries, including aerospace, marine, mining, medical, forestry, pulp and paper, sonar, as well as deep-sea submergence. Mazak equipment has proven extremely strong and reliable with the highest degree of accuracy to ensure consistent quality. Mahler's manual machine shop is used for prototype work as well as second operation production work. At Mahler, we take pride in offering our clients complete CNC production solutions, excellent service, uncompromising quality, and punctual delivery. Mahler Industries. It's our goal to be your edge in CNC machining.